Hey everyone, so this is a follow-up to the guided practice 6 where I got all the way through number 4 to the end but didn't evaluate any of my integrals. So that's what we're going to do now. So let's see, first we're going to simplify each one. So this is the integral from -6 to -1.5. And there's nothing to combine here, but I have -1/4 x squared minus x plus 3 dx. Then I have the integral from -1.5 to 0. And these I can combine, so 2 minus 1/4, that would be 8/4 minus 1/4 is 7/4 x squared. Then we have the integral from 0 to 1, and 2 minus 1/4 x squared again is 7/4 x squared dx. And then our last one, integral from 1 to 2 of -1/4 x squared minus x plus 3 dx. So nothing to combine, just reorganizing a little bit. Okay. Now we want the antiderivative. So this is going to be -1/12 x cubed minus 1/2 x squared plus 3x, evaluated from -6 to -1.5. We've got 7/12 x cubed from -1.5 to 0. We've got 7/12 x cubed from 0 to 1. And we've got -1/12 x cubed minus 1/2 x squared plus 3x from 1 to 2. And we want to go back and plug in all these numbers. So this becomes, let's see, 6 cubed, 36 times 6 is what, 216? And let's see what we get. Give me 1 second to plug this into a calculator. Okay, so we've got -1/12 times -6 cubed minus 1/2 times 36, which is -6 squared, plus 3 times -6. So that's our first one. And that turns out to be 72. So this is 72 minus, whoops, that's the second one. So we want to move that one over here. When I plug in -1.5, times 1/2 1.5 squared minus plus 3 times -1.5. And when you plug that in, I get -63/16. Hold on, back both trains up here. Let's try again. Okay, so when I plug in -1.5, I get -171/32 minus, when I plug in 6, hold on 1 second, I did that wrong one more time. Gotta make sure I got all my negatives in the right spot. So I have -1/12, -1.5 cubed minus 1/2 times -1.5 squared plus 3 times -1.5. Okay, that worked. So that's the same answer, -171/32. Now I'm going to change this to a 6. So we're taking -6 and plugging it in. And we get -18. All right, which that should be a positive value. Okay, so that's good. So we have that as our first integral, plus. All right, I am taking 0, because when I plug in 0, I get 0, minus 7/12 times -1.5 cubed. And when I do that, I get -63/32. And this one, when I plug in 1, I get 7/12 minus 0 when I plug in 0. So that one actually was relatively straightforward. And then this last one, we're plugging in 2. So -1/12 times 8 minus 1/2 times 4 plus 6 gives me 3 1/3 or 10/3 minus, when I plug in 1, I get -1/12 minus 1/2 plus 3, which is 29/12. All right, now I'm going to put all of this in to see what we get. So -171/32 plus 18 plus 63/32 plus 7/12 plus 10/3 minus 29/12. And I get 129/8, which is 16.125. And that's our final answer.